Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can allow edits and changes to your pages on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the page you would like to share with your contacts. And if you'd like to change the given page's accessibility, click into the share button in the top right and select page link. Next, wait for this menu to load. And after the shareable link to that page will be created and copied to your clipboard, as you can see, you will be given the opportunity to change its accessibility. It is already usually set to can edit on default, but if for some reason, guys, someone may have, for example, changed the given page's accessibility to can only view, you may change that by clicking to settings and by selecting here can edit under more settings. Confirm by clicking into apply, and that's it. Now you're ready to invite your co-editors to the given page through the invitation link, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.